Yo, 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 what's up? This is John from Judge Innovation Garage in the Peach Capital of the state, baby. Look at that big eye in the sky. Whew. Let's go down here and see if we can get the old blue cranked. This thing ain't been cranked in about 4 months. Let's go check her out. Let's go down here and see. This thing ain't been fired up in about 4 months. Need to drive it a little bit more. 79 GMC Classic, 5.7, 4-bolt main, turbo 400. This is the wife's great-grandpa's truck. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see. I ain't even gonna hit the pedal. Uh-oh. Ha-ha! It hit on the key, but it needed a little patty, pat, pat, pat. Y'all like that right there? That's custom. The wife's great-grandma, she ta-ta, ta-ta. She stapled that shit up like nobody's business. Ooh, boy. Let's see if she'll idle. Old 4-barrel Rochester. I rebuilt it a couple years ago. And if anybody knows anything about carburetors, you know on the bottom of a Rochester carburetor, it's got those 2 plugs. If you take those plugs out and clean them out and then put them back in with JB weld in the threads, cinch them down real good, they won't leak. And you'll stop that leak on the top of your intake. So. She might idle here in a minute. There's my old racing trailer. What y'all think? Oh yeah, old blue, old blue. Yep, move the wagon over there. Appreciate you, boys and girls.